So what you're seeing behind me is a tradition called breaking the piñata. I know all y'all know that. I've never done it. So they made this for me, for my 50th birthday. And all these kids get to break it. And I'm just praying, right now, pray with me, that they don't break it open, that they just loosen it up for me. Because I'm gonna come in like Barry Bonds and knock that thing out right there. So how cool is this? Look at all these people here celebrating my 50th birthday. And we're gonna break this piñata right now. Let's do it. So this is one of my least favorite cactus. It's called a jumping cactus. People have said that it's supposed to be like your heat of your body and it'll jump out at you. I'm not necessarily positive that's true, but I know that if you brush it, you'll get so many of these pickers in you, you'll be wishing you jumped somewhere else. So if you ever see these in the desert, stay away from them, because they will get you quick. At Sierra Vista, Arizona, home. Blesses me to see my wife's name on the same billboard as I am, number one. And number two, this is where I started ministry 25 years ago. And as I celebrate 25 years of ministry, I'm so excited to be able to do that at my home church and with my amazing best friend, my bride, Gail. Thank you all for being so supportive and so loving to us over the years. And here's the 25 more. Bless y'all. supposed to drop a foot of snow.
A foot. Can you believe it? A foot.
In southern Arizona.
A foot of snow. Now, mind you, the snow will be gone by tomorrow, but that's not the point. We come here to be warm.
Hey, behind me is Montezuma's castle. How amazing is this? This was in the 1400s. This Indian tribe came and was able to build complete homes out of the cliffs here in Arizona, in Verde Valley. What's interesting is that that castle right there was one of the smaller ones and is actually the only one still remaining. Incredible. So behind me you're seeing these are all 8 or 9 different rooms that held like probably 3 to 5 family members at a time, and then they were different levels. So this was just like the Montezuma's castle, except that most of it is degraded and all you can really see now are the floors and the rooms. But what's interesting is you see the holes up there. I can just imagine that'd be where they did some of their cooking, where they did put their things. You can see that hole right there was bricked up. So, you know, what kind of cooking or what use did they get out of each and every one of these separate holes? They're all probably much cooler in temperature, and it's such a great place, location. I can't imagine how blessed they must have felt to get all this location and have this huge beautiful river here and these beautiful trees and vegetation and safety up in the rocks. Brilliant, brilliant minds. Montezuma's well. What's interesting about that, no such thing as Montezuma. It's just like it says in the 1800s, the people were fascinated by the Aztec Indians, and so they put names on things that had nothing to do with it. Montezuma has never been here, but that's his well. After we left Montezuma's well and Montezuma's castle, we were thrilled to be able to have dinner with Mark and Trisha Leach from Keep Your Daydream. You should definitely go check out their channel. Woohoo!